Now, we have learned that the inverse of the log base b of x is the exponential function b of x. Therefore, if we take the composition of f of g of x, we'll get the following. And because they're inverse of each other, we know that they'll cancel, and that'll be equal to x. The same way, if we find the composition of g of f of x, we'll get b to the power of log base b of x. This will cancel because they're inverse of each other, and that will be equal to x. Therefore, if the base of the log is equal to this number here, they automatically cancel. If the base is the same as the base for the log, they automatically cancel, and we have that equal to x. So for example, let's start with example 3a. We have log base 5 of 5 to the 4 power. These are equal, so they cancel out, and that will be equal to 4. Same way, here, log base 3 of 3 to the 5th power, this will cancel out because they have exactly the same base, and it's equal to 5. For letter C, they don't have the same base. So I want to be able to rewrite this as log base 5. I want to be able to rewrite the 125 as 5 to what power? 5 to the 3rd power is equal to 125. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. Now I can cancel this, and it's equal to 3. I want to be able to rewrite log base 7 of 49 as the log of 7. I want to be able to rewrite the 49 as 7, so that will cancel to what power? To the 2nd power. This will cancel, so it's equal to 2. For letter E, we have 10 to the exponent of the log. There's no base in here, so remember, if there's no base, automatically there's a 10. So it'll be 10 to the power of the log base 10 of 2. They have the same base, so the base cancels the log because it's the exponent. So that will be equal to 2. They are exactly the same base, so they cancel each other out, and that'll be equal to 6. Go and try letter G, E, H, and K, and then we can work them out together. Go and pause it. Great. So let's continue with example G. I want to be able to rewrite this as the log base 5. I want to be able to rewrite the 25 as 5 to the 2nd power. That will cancel, so that will be equal to 2. Remember, ln is the log base e, so they will cancel each other out. And we just have 5 to the x power as my answer. For letter I want to be able to rewrite the 27. We have log base 3. I want to be able to rewrite the 27 as 3 to the what power is equal to 27? To the 3rd power. Because they're exactly the same, the log base 3 and the 3 cancel. So this is equal to 3. Now, if this was a 27, I will be able to rewrite it as the log base 3 of 3 to the what power is 27 to the 3rd power. But because it's over 1, I'm going to make this a negative. Therefore, 1 over 27 is 3 to the negative 3. Remember, if there's a negative exponent, we just place it over 1 and it becomes a positive. This will cancel out, so this will be equal to -3. For letter K, we want to be able to rewrite this as the log base 2. I want to be able to rewrite that 16 as 2 to the 4th power, correct? That will cancel each other out, so it's equal to 4. Log base 2 of 1 over 16. Let's go ahead and think of this as log base 2 of 16. So we can rewrite it as the log base 2 of 2 to the 4th power, but because it's over 1, it's actually a -4. Because 1 over 16 is the same thing as 2 to the -4 power. We can cancel this out. The log base 2 and the base cancels, and it's equal to -4. So this will conclude the lesson for today. Thanks for taking the time to listen to the lesson online. Please email me if you have any questions, and have a great day.